In this video, I try to document how I replace a broken kitchen size sprayer head with a new one. You can go on Google search and search for keywords kitchen size sprayer head replacement, and you get results similar to this. Or you can also go on to Amazon, like in my case, and search for kitchen size sprayer head, and you get results like these. $15.99, $13.99, $10.99, so this is the one I bought for $10.99. Plus tax, it came to $12.15. And this is the actual product I received. Oh, the instruction is on the bottom. That's nice. Open it up. Has the sprayer head. The attachment part on the bottom here. And some accessories with it. C-clips and rubber O-rings and one plastic washer. Now it's time to take off the old broken one. I cracked this thing here, so that's the reason why I'm replacing this. Unscrew this thing. And I gotta remove the C-ring clip right here. You can use a small flat head screwdriver like this to remove the C-ring. Like so. Here's the C-ring. I'll take this off. Hold hard on this and you'll be able to remove this. Now it's time to put this new one on. I'll put the C-ring back on. Now I'm going to wrap it with plumber's tape. And now put on the new sprayer head. Now let's test it out. Looking good. No leaking. And all done. There you go.